router is a critical networking device that connects networks and ensures data flows seamlessly between them. Choosing the right router is crucial for creating a local connection that's not only dependable, but allows constant, uninterrupted, efficient access to the internet. Luckily, Draytek has a few categories of routers for us to choose from, and today we're going to break them down to help you choose the right one. We can split Draytek's routers into 4 categories: ADSL, VDSL fiber routers for wired broadband connections, load balancing routers to manage multiple internet connections, firewall routers for enhanced network security, and broadband 5G, 4G LTE routers for high-speed wireless connectivity and failover. Now, before getting into each category, let's go over what each Draytek part code actually means for your convenience. K simply means that the router is a UK variant. AC means the router has Wi-Fi technology. LAC means the router has LTE capabilities. AX means the router has Wi-Fi 6 technology. And LAX 5G means the router can support 4G, 5G, LTE, and Wi-Fi 6 technology. Let's begin with ADSL, VDSL, and fiber routers. And let's get definitions out the way first. ADSL stands for Asymmetrical Digital Subscriber Line. ADSL is a broadband connection that works through copper wires of existing phone lines, and is particularly well suited for home broadband and small businesses. VDSL stands for Very High Bitrate Digital Subscriber Line. VDSL is faster than ADSL, and has extremely high-speed DSL connections over short distances. The shorter the distance with VDSL, the faster the speed. Fiber refers to fiber optic networks. These networks are made of cables containing glass or plastic strands, called optical fibers, which carry data transformed into light. VDSL utilizes fiber components for that higher throughput. Draytek has a huge range of ADSL and VDSL routers for both home and business use, and each of these routers can connect to an FTTP broadband, which is beneficial for possible future upgrades and flexibility. This category of routers has entry-level models like the 2620LN, which is ideal for remote workers and home offices, as it's a low-cost router firewall in one that has optional content filtering and virtual private networking with secure encrypted network access. There are also models like the 2865 in this category that offer more flexibility and enhanced configuration, and are better suited for remote workers and small businesses that require an additional set of features, such as QoS, GFast, and Ethernet load balancing. It's worth noting that the 2865 series are not only ADSL VDSL routers, and that a lot of the series in this guide have different capabilities and features that cross over between categories. So there really are variants for every application with Draytek. So if you're a remote worker or an SMB looking to purchase a router, Draytek's ADSL VDSL fiber routers are the perfect choice for you. Next up, we have load balancing routers. Load balancing is the ability to balance traffic over 2 or more WAN links without having to use complex protocols. It essentially simplifies traffic distribution across a pool of servers. Load balancing routers use more than one internet connection to simultaneously provide internet access to devices connected to it. This allows devices to utilize more bandwidth than a single connection can, and load balancing prevents bottlenecks at any one server. Load balancing routers would be ideal for enterprises that have multiple WAN connections, as they offer automatic failover and high bandwidth aggregation. Draytek's 2832, 2865, 2866, and 2927 series routers all feature load balancing capabilities, but Draytek also offers models such as the 2962, 3910, 3912, and 3912S in the load balancing category that are ideal for larger and more demanding networks. The 2962 router is able to manage multiple networks and can securely connect up to 50 users at once using Draytek's SSL VPN, and can make full use of both LAN and WAN ports in any configuration. This router's advanced feature set makes it a great choice for multi-occupancy offices. The Draytek 3912 is another step up in the load balancing range, with its 12.5 gigabit enterprise-grade high-performance failover capabilities. It has a high-performance VPN concentrator, switchable WAN and LAN ports, and hardware redundancy options for mission-critical applications. This router is the go-to for enterprise-grade businesses. The 3912S is the highest performance load balancing router in this category, with 256 gigabit SSD, or hosting Docker Linux applications. This model has the addition of optional IDS to protect your complex network from any potential threats. Of course, the V912S also has built-in 8GB DDR4 RAM to enable Linux applications to be installed via Docker. This premium next-gen multi-WAN router is for the most demanding networks. A firewall is a network security appliance that monitors computer data traffic. Firewalls determine whether each packet it receives is allowed to pass, based on a defined set of profiles. Firewall routers can be broken down into their own categories too. You have your standard firewalls, network firewalls, and also VPN firewalls. The great thing about UK Draytek routers is that all models allow users to configure firewall settings that aid with network protection. The type of firewall router you purchase will of course have to align with your needs and requirements. A network firewall router helps stop unauthorized access to LANs. A VPN firewall router helps integrate both a firewall and VPN server, which is an ideal combination for gatekeeping access in and out. The final category of Draytek routers we'll be covering today are broadband 5G, 4G LTE. Wireless 5G and 4G LTE routers are ideal for setups requiring flexibility in configuration and management. These models are especially well suited for remote work, temporary setups, or areas with limited fixed line connectivity. Draytek offers a wide selection of routers in this category to suit various applications, and many of the models come equipped with powerful features, like VPN capabilities for secure remote access, advanced QoS content filtering to help optimize and control traffic, load balancing to manage multiple connections efficiently, gigabit performance for high-speed connectivity, and dual SIM functionality for increased reliability. The models in this range are as follows: 2620LN, 2865 LAC, 2865 LAX 5G, 2865 L5G, 2866 LAC, 2927 LAC, and 2927 LAX 5G. Using the part codes from the beginning of the video, we're able to identify which routers support 4G and 5G, and apply this to your needs to work out which router is the right fit. The routers that are best suited to less complex networks would be the 2620LN and LAC models. If you're looking for a router that can support 4G, 5G, and Wi-Fi 6 technology, the LAX 5G models are your best choice. 4G and 5G routers are also a great failover router for retail, hospitality, and emergency services, where you absolutely cannot go without internet. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to choosing the best Draytek router for you. If you need any extra help finding that perfect fit for your home or business network, feel free to reach out to our helpful support team. We are always here to help you with any of your networking needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and to hit that notification button so you don't miss an upload from us. We're also active on all other socials too, so be sure to drop us a follow and say hi. Thanks for watching, we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!